Hello everyone. I didn't know if I want to make this video. Basically, half of my videos are I just have an idea and then it happens. Most of my life is pretty much unplanned, but I've been having this very much urge to crochet and do summery things. And this is actually probably, I just recorded the intro or just the first clip of me actually starting to crochet these things, but I thought I would also do a video to show my plans of crocheting. While I do that, I'm gonna crochet. I don't know if I'm vibing with the non-defined look. I just had a braid in and I didn't like how it looked, so I literally took it out and shook out my curls. So we're going for the non-defined, voluminous, grown out roots look. I'll probably done it tomorrow. But this is the plans that I have to crochet this summer. Yes, if you somehow are obsessed with everything that is me, you might know, as in, I think I'm the only person that knows this because I'm the only person that's obsessed with me, is that some of these are probably on last year's I want to crochet this last summer. I don't even know if I really crocheted any crochet tops or anything summery last summer in general, because I am so against crochet tops for the most part. You probably see some on my channel that are tutorials from years ago, and I don't like any of the tops that I have on my channel. I don't really like. Not for that I dislike them for other people, but for me, I don't like them. I don't know. And I think, honestly, as a crocheter, you kind of just get this way. I feel like most people are just, after those first few years of you crocheting, you're just like, I'm not doing a tie top anymore. I'm not gonna have a tie. So the savior of a lot of these are going to be elastic thread. That is something that I plan to incorporate in as many things as I can. And on top of that, I'm also going to try to do vests too, a decent amount of crochet vests that tie in the front. That doesn't count as tie. I'm talking about like where you cinch it in the back. So before you come for me. But these are going to be the plans that I want to crochet this summer. A lot of them are not even crochet inspo. They're mostly non-crochet things, because that's how I like to make my patterns. For the most part, if I'm posting a pattern and it's something that someone else already crocheted, I'm not gonna use their tutorial pattern to make, because that would be exactly me copying it. But I even feel like there's a bit of crochet weirdness if I still look at crochet inspo and make it. But in some cases, that's not the case. But hopefully I can figure a lot of this out. To start off, the thing that I'm actually crocheting right now is, let me look at the pictures while I do this. But it's gonna be a white vest with red border going on, where I think I'm just gonna try to use an embroidering hook and hope that comes out cute. And then be a tie in the front. It's really simple. I'm doing a different stitch because you can't really see the stitch. And but you can, if you look really closely, you can see that it does have lines going up and down. So that's kind of the vibe I'm going for with mine. And so that's gonna be the first project that I use. I think that would be really cute with, she's wearing it with a red skirt and everything, but I think it would be cute with jean shorts or jeans in general. I think that's a very cute, versatile top that isn't too hard to do, and I think it also gives me the same vibes as my crochet cardigans do, because that's all I religiously crochet and the only thing that I enjoy crocheting. So that's vibe number one. This vest, actually, maybe I should order this in non-vest things. I don't know, vests, tops, and etc. Those were the categories. This is another vest that I wanted to make. I don't even know if this person crocheted this, because I think it's just something that they sell probably on Shein or something, Shine, I don't know. But I don't know if they actually have made this, because people are saying, oh, so cute, is there a pattern? And I don't think anyone has. I think people just use a crochet vest, but they don't really, whatever. But this is the one I want to make. The only thing, so I did make this top before, and the only thing that I did run into problems with is the little, because it looks like it has a clip, so I don't know, it's not a tie. You can see where it's clipped in the center. It's not a tie, so that's the only thing. I'm thinking what I might actually do is just sew it there, not even have it be a tie, but just only have those two rows sewed together and just put it on like a shirt. I did try to crochet this, but actually right before I crocheted this one, But I don't know, I didn't like the yarn I was using. It was Red Heart yarn. Obviously I wasn't gonna like it. I don't even know why I even tried. But I also did it wrong because I was doing a thicker black stripe instead of a thicker white stripe. So I didn't like how that turned out either. And I think I also just didn't like the measurements, everything. It just was too big. And then I also want to incorporate elastic yarn, elastic thread into my crochet vest, just so it's a little tighter, probably around the waist area, and that's it. I still probably want it to be flowy on the bottom, but I don't know. I love a good snatch waist. So, but that one is really cute. And it's crazy because in this picture, she's wearing it with white jeans or white pants, which I thought was often frowned upon with this cream look, but it actually looks cute. But I would probably wear this with black. No, I don't know what, just regular jeans probably. I think these would all be cute with jean shorts. I think crochet tops go so good with a good jean in general. I think anything crochet could go good with a good jean. Next we have, so I'm going, this one needs some description. So basically you can, this was the vibe I was going for, right? But I'm not making the top and I'm not making the skirt. But this is just something I did to remind myself that I want to make a matching top and a matching scarf. I think they're called waist scarves. I wanted to make one that's the same look. I think these are also in trend now, the waist scarves. But I think what I'm thinking is I'm gonna do a meshy kind of top. Let me pull up the top because I was literally looking at this last night. I'm in between, I don't know, I'm feeling this tube top, right? Where it has rows of regular half double crochet and then it has rows of mesh, and then I would just do a straight across on the top. So I'm thinking of incorporating that, and then my skirt would be the same. I'm calling it a skirt, but the crochet scarf would be the same. And I don't want to do it in white. I'm actually going to do it in the same red that I'm using for this, even though it would be cute in white. I don't know. If I could make a nut, I do have this really big ball of white yarn. I don't know, I'm gonna have to contemplate on the color. But I feel like white is just everything, but then I could use it for a lot of other stuff. But then you also see the different tops. I definitely want to make this top. Maybe this could be something else I do. So it's kind of like this exactly, except that I think my mesh would be tighter on the scarf, and I'm not gonna add those other things because I just don't feel like it. But I love a good match. I love a good set when things are together. I probably have a bajillion sweatsuits sets in my closet, so I like when things match. But I don't know. But I also really do like this top too, so I think this would also be something that I would make, but it would only be cute with elastic thread, or else it just wouldn't be form-fitting like how this is. But I do really like the idea of this top. I don't know what color I'd want that to be in yet, but it is really cute. This one I probably wouldn't do with the scarf because, I don't know, unless I made this scarf the exact same mesh and it could give a party look. I don't know. I might have to do multiple. I can do whatever I want. These are not gonna take me long because it's not crochet, it's not a cardigan. I also, what else did I have saved? I need to see all of this. Oh, I did really like this. I just can't, for the life of me, figure out how, oh, there's literally a picture. But it still doesn't make sense. How do they do these circles? Are they crocheting the things first, the circles first, or that makes sense. Actually, now I can actually crochet this. So I did really like this one where it's a cover up and it has the different colors. Maybe I wouldn't use all those colors because I don't know if I have them. The only thing is these things look so cute with thin yarn, and I hate crocheting with thin yarn, so who knows. But I do really like this concept. So I think they actually do crochet all the circles first and then they sew them together with crochet. But I did like this vibe. See, Pinterest is just an amazing thing because I just keep getting more and more inspo. But let me focus. But I did also like that as a cover-up option. And in general, I think a nice shawl cover-up would be cute too. I also did potentially want to incorporate a top. It's a tube top, a tie top with off-the-shoulder kind of sleeves. I think that would also be very cute. And maybe that with this, because I am not one for crochet bottoms. I do not like to do crochet bottom. I think I crochet too many rows because I'm talking to y'all. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Wow, the crochet gods knew. I'm literally on my last row that I need. But I do love a set, but I don't know. I think I've only ever seen, crochet skirts aren't as bad, but they're difficult to wear. But I don't know, I don't like crochet bottoms. I've literally tried a million times. I just don't like how they fit on me. But I think that one is also very cute. What other vibes? I think something that I did want to do, this would be an extra. If I wanted to go for that beaded look, I think this top is so cute, and I know it wouldn't be difficult to crochet at all. I would just have to actually buy the beads and do it. That's the only thing. But I think it's so cute, and this is also trending. Oh my god, they also have it in blue, which is so cute. And then I could also make matching earrings. I need to relax. But that would be so cute. Guys, I might have been sold. This with matching earrings would be really cute, and like a matching bracelet. Let me click off of this before I freak out. But I really do like that top. What I also wanted to do was incorporate somehow my tapestry. One of these days I'll pronounce that right after having this channel so many years. I wanted to do tapestry crochet with a crochet top. I just have to figure out how to go about that. Maybe I could just do a bralette that had a tapestry on the bottom, but I don't know if I'd like that at all, now that I'm thinking about it. Or maybe I could do like vest. My vest is literally my go-to savior of crochet tops, so maybe. And then for the longest time, I've been wanting to do belts because I think that's such a cute way to add to any outfit. And I think if you can easily make something customizable to go with a specific outfit, and then that's the key to success. If I could figure out a way to just make a belt, then I could take really boring outfits into something, and without crochet being the main thing, because I guess it's probably because I crochet so much, I just don't like to really wear big crochet pieces. But I feel like if it was a crochet accessory, I'm more likely to, and I think it could add really cute floral, just really cute vibes. I do want to do a mesh cover up in general. Maybe I should. I think I've made so many mesh cardigans and just never have gone through with them, so hopefully this is the year we actually finish it. I know exactly how to make it. It would take me no time, no effort, no thought to make it, but for some reason I never end up finishing it. And that's so annoying because they are a cute way to just up an outfit, especially in that color. I like the color that it's in right now. So hopefully one day we will do that. I think also a shawl would just be cute in general. I haven't done a shawl look, which is something I also really want to incorporate because those are really cute. I don't know if I would go out no, I would wear it. That's the thing. This is the last row, so I have to figure this out. I'm trying to think what else. This was an extra one that I saw that I like the potential that it had where, oh wait, what was the one that I saved? No, there's literally one that I just saved that I thought was really creative. I feel like this isn't all my pins, guys. Oh, this was, I feel like it's really creative where if you, I don't know, it just has a lot going on. I probably wouldn't add all the extra beads and stuff, but the thought of making two different shirts and sewing them together to make one, I think looks really cool. And something that I could get down with. Even if, I don't know, I feel like an orange and blue would be really cute too. There's just so many options of what could be done. Oh, this is my last extra one. I wouldn't do it like this either, but I did like the thought of sewing together a top with actual fabric and then adding crochet to the top of it. I think that would be really cute too. And I do know how to sew, so that also has potential. At the end of the day, if I'm not definite about any of these, I'm honestly unsure that I'll ever crochet them. But let's just hope for the best. So this one I also was thinking would be really cute with elastic thread, and I think it could easily be done. Like I said before, I'm very much a snatched waist girl, and I think I could easily do this with crochet, and I think the color combos would be so cute. And then I just have a tie at the top. To go with the same with that, if I also did that tube top but longer with elastic thread, and then I just added a halter top with, I honestly think elastic. Should this just be what I'm gonna crochet with elastic thread video, or I don't know. But I think this would be a very cute simple top that I can make into crochet, and the neck Sorry, my boyfriend just texted me something that I literally told him I've been wanting to do, and he was like, no, no. And now he wants to do it, but whatever. Even I think for the plain tops, if I were to get a really pretty ombre tie-dye yarn, I think that would be really pretty with this kind of shirt. But those are my crochet plans. Let me stick to it. I have the time. These all could be done. Oh, it's cold. Anyways, they all can be done, and they can be done quickly. It's just a matter of I have to sit down, plan it out, and actually do it. And so that you guys can have patterns to make all these cool tops. I have so many ideas. The fact that they keep me up at night, I just wish I could instantly have them be out and about. But that is all I have for you guys today. I hope you were able to get some inspo or just be entertained by my false hopes that I'm giving you guys. I believe there's a chance I might crochet these, but there's also a very small chance, very big chance that I don't. So I hope you guys are having a very fun crochet summer. I think crochet is summer. It really is. Honestly, crochet is all 4 seasons because you get the sweaters, cardigans in winter, but then we get the meshy, beachy, nice vibes in the summer. So now it's that time to do crochet summer and have all your mesh and everything and crochet to your heart's desires. Bye.